Students, start with step 3.3. Number of cations, they are 4. Number of anions, they are 3. Total formulas would be 4 multiplied by 3, that is 12. Now write the valencies of X and Y. Since they are trivalent, so plus 3 minus 3 is written. Now shift these 3 to X and Y as the suffixes of X and Y. And you will get 3:3. When 3:3 is cancelled, they again give 1:1. So we will write x1, y1. 1 is not written in algebra and in chemistry, so we will get the final formula xy. This is the final formula of step 3.3. Okay student, this is video for step 3.3 and its formula is again xy, and we will write all these formulas according to xy. So start with the bismuth and you will write BIN, and this is called bismuth nitride. BIP, bismuth phosphide. BiPO4, bismuth phosphate. Okay, aluminium nitride, aluminium phosphide, aluminium phosphate. Next is chromium, chromium nitride, chromium phosphide, chromium phosphate. Next element is Fe, so we will write Fe, ferric nitride, ferric phosphide, ferric phosphate. Okay student, in the next video we will start with the step 1-2.